Ready to skyrocket your Shopify store's credibility and conversions with the power of Google reviews? First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the app section. We're going to explore two main methods using a Shopify app, which is super easy, or adding custom code for more control. Let's start with the app root in the Shopify App Store. Search for Google Reviews apps. You'll see a bunch of options, like Judge, Looks, or Automizely. Each has different features and pricing, so explore what best fits your needs. Once you've chosen an app, install it and follow the setup instructions usually. This involves connecting your Google business profile to the app. The app will then pull in your Google reviews automatically. Most apps allow you to customize how the reviews appear on your site. You can often change the layout, colors, and even filter which reviews are displayed. Now, decide where you want to display your reviews. Popular spots are product pages, your homepage, or even a dedicated testimonials page. Simply use the app's instructions to embed the review widget in your desired location. And that's it. By showcasing those glowing Google reviews, you'll build trust, boost sales, and watch your Shopify store flourish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.